If you have a sign on your wall that says, safety is our #1 priority, tear it down. Safety is not a priority. Safety is a non-negotiable core value. Priorities shift. Values, on the other hand, are immutable. They're the adhesive that binds our company together. Nothing competes for our values. So a lot of companies will say our values are integrity, respect. I want to add safety to that list. Now, when it comes to engaging our front lines, today's a big day because we are out of the business of saying goodbye. But I'm talking about the revolving door, the people that are here for 1 and 2 years and they're gone. If people want to go out on their own nickel, fine. I want us to be in the business of saying, hello, don't worry about the burned bridges, worry about building bridges. We send a letter home, blank piece of paper, a letter, box of crayons, saying, have your kids, grandkids, nieces, nephews, next door neighbors. Tell us, what does safety mean? What is driving to perfection? That's our safety brand. What does it mean to you? We do a contest, of course. This is one of the very few times where I will support a participation trophy. Everybody gets something. But what happens is the artwork that we get is great. It becomes our calendar. So we give our employees and we give our customers a calendar with something from the heart, right? It means everything to me that my aunt comes home safely every day. Bye. I never forget what it means to drive to perfection. The real title of the principle is Establish a Just Culture. What I say is, I hate progressive discipline. Get rid of progressive discipline. It sucks. See, progressive discipline is kind of the way that a lot of us were brought up, right? Progressive discipline is so robotic, it robs our managers of discretion and judgment. And I assume the same is true of many of you. So why do we hold our frontline employees to a standard that probably not one of us in this room can meet? It's a little crazy if you ask me. You're a human. Humans make mistakes. Here's the key. Was it an honest mistake or was it reckless behavior? If the employee made an honest mistake, we don't need to whip out those crazy forms. Establish your life-critical rules. I really believe that if everything is important, nothing is important. So your life-critical rules. A life-critical violation is one that's more likely than others to kill or maim one of your employees or a member of the public or a customer. Right? They're the big violations. They're the ones that are going to really get you in trouble. The problem with shortcuts is they work until they stop working. Do not let the absence of adversity lead you to conclude that something is safe. It's not. You have to have an unconditional respect for process. There's a saying that says, not everything that counts is counted, not everything that's counted counts. Unsafe conditions, unsafe decisions. In other words, behavior. Safety is behavior. Behavior is safety. From the C-suite to the front lines, we've all got to be behaving the same way. I know compliance is important, but let's be real clear. Just because you're compliant does not mean you're safe. Safety and compliance are, at best, distant cousins. But regulations prescribe the bare minimum. And to be truly safe, we have to go way above the minimum. And that's where behavior comes in. Principle 9, tear down the silos. So in a company of any size, you've got departments. Departments are important, right? They keep things bite-sized. I get that. Silos, on the other hand, are a way of thinking. Silos are, on the other hand, our way of thinking that, look, as long as I'm doing okay, I don't care about how you're doing more. But the one silo I want to make sure that you tear down is that the safety department, your safety team, cannot execute on safety. It's impossible. The only people that can execute on safety is operations. With that, I thank you very much for your time. All the best as you lead people safely. Thank you.